There are currently more than 1.5 billion people living with hearing loss. That's according to the World Health Organization. That's nearly 20% of the global population. As a part of our Ask the Experts series, 7 News anchor Kelsey O'Donnell spoke with a doctor from Bon Secours and causes about the treatment.
Health experts say there are dozens of causes for hearing loss, and for more than a decade, Bon Secours' Dr. Amy Kalchery has been studying the why behind the medical condition.
There are lots of things that can cause hearing loss. Age is one of them, different medications you've been on throughout your life. The biggest one is noise exposure, but it's also genetics and probably a couple hundred other things that we're not entirely sure of yet.
While hearing loss in some cases may be unavoidable, doctors say there are ways you can decrease your chances of losing your hearing.
The biggest thing to prevent hearing loss is wearing hearing protection anytime you're going to be around any loud noises. OSHA does a big thing with that for companies. My kind of good rule of thumb is if you're standing next to somebody and you need to scream for them to hear you, it's probably too loud of a situation. You should be wearing hearing protection.
If you're consistently having trouble hearing people speak, have to turn up the volume to hear the radio, you have persistent ringing in your ears or dizziness, it may be time to see a doctor.
Anytime you are noticing that you're having trouble hearing, especially if there is a sudden change in hearing, if you wake up one day and go, you know, I'm not hearing as well as I was yesterday, call your doctor immediately.
From hearing aids or medical treatment, doctors say they can help you lay out a treatment plan that best suits you.
The biggest treatment option for hearing loss would be hearing aids. That is the most common treatment, but for some types of hearing loss, there is surgical or medications that they can put you on. It really ultimately depends on the type of hearing loss that you're having and what's causing it.
For this week's Ask the Expert, I'm Kelsey O'Donnell.
Remember that you can submit a health topic for our Ask the Expert series. Just head to our website, click the News tab, then click Ask the Expert.